loves me that way, I must from now on display my feelings, for my heart leans towards such a one that I don't dare reveal it in an apparent way. But love gives me such daring that I sing about her, and you shall not know who she might be, for I want to hide it equally to everyone. That one goes boasting out of presumptuousness, but I master the art to save myself from harm. And I find, in my opinion, that I know how to lie and how to tell the truth more often. And when I want, truth is mine. And when I need, lie defends me. Lie defends me. Lady, wherever I may be, now and forever, I give and present myself to you. For I don't crave nor require any other allegiance, nor will I go seeking it. I'd rather stay at your disposal than have the love and intimacy of another. Do and say what you want to me. And whoever may tell you about me slandering, I know you are so wise that it would do me no harm. And in saying so much, I know I'm failing. I know I'm failing, for I love you so much, valiant lady of all my heart, that nothing in the world could imagine love beyond